Printing, copying, and scanning devices keep businesses running. Avoiding downtime is crucial. That's why we created a service delivery infrastructure that keeps our connected devices up, running, working. It starts with just-in-time toner delivery, so your connected device can continue to run, and self-monitoring technologies that proactively identify potential problems. If an issue occurs, your first stop is Xerox Solver, our smart AI assistant. This skilled AI agent provides immediate and insightful guidance, allowing you to resolve your issue promptly and efficiently. Need more? Care AR is our augmented reality solution. It starts with Care AR Instruct. Just scan the barcode and follow the 3D step-by-step guide to identify and resolve your issue. If you need more detailed support, there's Care AR Assist. It connects you directly to an expert Xerox team member who will guide you remotely on the spot in real time. They can see what you see, making it easy for them to diagnose the problem and assist with the fix. Over 50% of issues are resolved in under 12 minutes with the help of our remote solve tools and expert technical team. And that puts a lot of work time back in your workday. If on-site support is needed, we make sure it's ultra-efficient. With connected devices, we already have the information regarding your issue to hand. Our engineers arrive briefed and armed with any necessary parts, so fixes can be made fast and the first time. With the full range of AI tools at our disposal, we reduce site visits through automation, while significantly cutting carbon emissions for a more sustainable future. Together, it's a world-class worldwide support program designed to keep your equipment running. Together with Xerox, we make work work.